Fusion Mobile, quality e-learning experience on the go.
Diseases of crops. A plant disease may be defined as a departure or deviation of the plant from the normal state of health, presenting marked symptoms or outward visible signs. Causes of disease: viruses, bacteria, fungi, nematode, nutrient deficiency are the causes of diseases. Some of the selected diseases of crops: their causal organism, the method of transmission, symptoms and economic importance, and the prevention and control measures. 1. Maize smut. The causal organism for maize smut is fungus, Ostilago maydis. The method of transmission is airborne fungus. Airborne fungus spores deposited on fruits. Symptoms and economic importance. 1. They reduce yield. Galls on ears, leaves and tassels, which later turn black. Prevention and control measures: destroy diseased plants, use resistant varieties, seed treatment. 2. Rice blight. Causal organism: fungus, Pyricularia oryzae. Method of transmission: airborne spores on leaves. Symptoms and economic importance: small longitudinal red spots on leaves which turn gray or brown. Reduced yield. Prevention and control measures: use clean seeds, avoid heavy use of nitrogen fertilizers, use resistant varieties. 3. Maize rust. Causal organism: fungus, Pousinia polycera. Method of transmission: airborne spores deposited on leaves. Symptoms and economic importance: red spots on leaves, reduced yield, death of crops. Prevention and control measures: early planting, crop rotation, use resistant varieties. 4. Cercospora, a leaf spot or cowpea. Causal organism: fungus. Method of transmission: wind. Symptoms and economic importance: reddish-brown spots on leaves, lesions on leaves, chlorosis, dropping or falling of leaves. Prevention and control measures: spray with fungicides. Crop rotation, use resistant varieties. 5. Rosette disease. Causal organism: virus. Method of transmission: by piercing and sucking insects, aphid. Symptoms and economic importance: yellow leaves with mosaic mottling, stunted plants with curled leaves, wilting and death of plants, shortening of internodes. Prevention and control measures: early planting, crop rotation, use insecticides, uproot and burn infected plants, use resistant variety. 6. Cassava mosaic. Causal organism is virus. Method of transmission: by piercing and sucking insect, whitefly, by infected plant cottons. Symptoms and economic importance: mottling of leaves, mosaic pattern on leaves, stem or leaf distortion, stunted plants, reduction in yield. Prevention and control measures: use resistant variety, uproot and burn, spray with insecticide to kill vector, use disease-free stems, farm sanitation. 7. Leaf blight of cassava. Causal organism: Bacterium Xanthomonas manihottis. Method of transmission: infected cottons, rain splashing, insects. Symptoms and economic importance: blighting of leaves, wilting of plants, falling off of leaves, reduced yield, canker of stems, dieback of stems. Prevention and control measures: use resistant variety, use disease-free cottons, early planting, practice crop rotation. 8. Cocoa black pod disease. Causal organism, fungus, Phytophthora palmivora. Method of transmission, brain splash, insects. Symptoms and economic importance, brown spots on pod, rotting of pod, entire pod turns black, low yield. Prevention and control measures, remove and destroy infected pod, regular weeding, spray with fungicides, avoid overcrowding of cocoa plants. 9. Coffee leaf rust, causal organism, fungus. Method of transmission, by wind and by rain splash. Symptoms and economic importance, yellow or brown spot on leaves, orange powdery mass on the leaf, reduction in yield, dropping of leaves. Prevention and control measures, plant seeds from healthy plants, use resistant varieties, spray with copper fungicides. 10. Black arm, bacterial blight of cotton, causal organism, bacteria. Method of transmission, through leaves, stems near ground. Symptoms and economic importance, angular spots on leaves, bough rot, exudates from affected leaves, retarded growth and death of plants. Prevention and control measures, seed dressing, uproot and burn infected plants, use resistant varieties, crop rotation. 11. Root knot of tomato and okra, causal organism, nematode. Method of transmission, nematodes in the soil. Method of transmission, nematodes in the soil. Symptoms and economic importance, knotting and gulling of roots, retarded growth, early death of plants, reduction in yield. Prevention and control measures, soil sterilization, crop rotation, use resistant varieties, uproot and burn infected parts. Damping of disease of okra. Causal organism, fungus. Method of transmission, infected soil. Symptoms and economic importance, retarded growth, cells become waterlogged, gradual wilting of plants, death of plants. Prevention and control measures, spray with copper fungicide, use resistant variety, sterilization of soil. Onion twister disease, causal organism, fungus. Method of transmission, infected soil, water splash, infected bulb. Symptoms and economic importance, twisting of leaves, gray patches on leaves, reduction in yield, death of plants. Prevention and control measures, crop rotation, use resistant varieties, spray with fungicides. Stored produce mold, causal organism, fungus. Method of transmission, infected seeds or fruits, high humidity, by soil. Symptoms and economic importance, black mold on seeds and fruits, pungent smell, sour taste, decay of seeds and fruits in store. Prevention and control measures, proper drying of seeds before storage, spray with fungicides, maintain low humidity in store, remove contaminated seeds before storage.